Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ananya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about CBC test. Before beginning the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that I can share all the useful and valuable information with you. So every time you get sick, be it normal fever or seasonal flu, your doctor might have ordered a CBC test for you. Now, do you know what is CBC test? CBC stands for Complete Blood Count. It is a test that measures different parts and features of your blood. It tells about red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, hemoglobin, and hematocrit. Now, do you know what are RBCs? RBCs or red blood cells are the cells that carry oxygen from lungs to all parts of the body. White blood cells are cells that help fight infection. There are 5 types of white blood cells. CBC blood test tells about total number of WBCs, that is white blood cells. There is a different test known as CBC with differential to know about all types of WBCs. Platelets are a type of cells that help clotting and stop bleeding. Hemoglobin is a type of protein in red blood cells that carry oxygen. And hematocrit tells how much of blood is made up of RBCs. A complete blood test may also include other type of chemical measurements. This test can provide your doctor details about your blood and risk of other health infections. What is this test used for? A CBC test is most of the times a part of common routine test. Sometimes it may also help in diagnosing some infections. Why you may need a CBC test? Your doctor may ask for a CBC test in order to monitor your overall health. Sometimes it is also needed to diagnose anemia and other immune infections. It is also done to keep order of existing blood disorder. So what happens during a CBC blood test? During the test, a small sample of blood will be withdrawn from the vein of your arm. Now this sample will be sent to the laboratories. You might get results in a day or two. Do you need to prepare anything for this test? This test is very simple and only requires a small amount of blood. So this does not need any preparedness. But if your CBC report includes blood sugar level, then you might need to fast. So you can do fasting or you can do this test early in the morning. So are there any risks to this test? As I told, this test is very simple and easy and it only requires a small amount of blood. This test is totally safe. Now, what do the results mean? Abnormal results mean value falls outside the normal range. It may indicate a few things. Abnormal hemoglobin, RBC, and hematocrit may indicate anemia or heart disease. Low WBC may indicate bone marrow disease or may also indicate risk of cancer. And if you get high WBC count, then it may include some infection or reaction to the medication. If any of the values are abnormal, it does not necessarily mean you have a disease. Sometimes due to activity level, diet, stress, and menstrual cycle, the level of these values may change. A CBC is only a tool for your doctor to know about your overall health. It primarily does not diagnose any of the diseases. Along with CBC test, your medical history, your symptoms, and other tests might be considered as well. For doing CBC test, a prescription is also not needed. Sometimes people get tested by themselves in order to check the overall health. Also, it is very important for you to get tested from a reputed and reliable lab so that it can show you true values. A link to a reputed and reliable lab will be provided to you in the description box below. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. That's all for today's video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.